Welcome back, YouTubers. So I have 4 Hidden Mickey mystery pouches here. These are of the 2017 Hidden Mickeys, and these came from Florida. So this is going to be the Florida edition. There's one set that the Florida and the Disneyland share, and I think that's the Grins. So let's see what the first 2 pins we get. First Grin we get is the evil guy from Fantasia, I believe. I'm not sure what his name is. And then, cool. That's one of the hyenas from The Lion King. And I'm wondering if he's the completer. If he is the completer, it'll say completer on... He is the completer. Oh, cool. I don't know if you can read that. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Next one. It's like 101 Dalmatians Hidden Mickey. And this represents the Dumbo ride. And that's it. Oops, those just flew right out of there. Ursula Smile. And then I think this is for the dinosaur ride over at Walt Disney World. I've never been to Walt Disney World, only Disneyland. Okay. Ooh, I wanted this one. Little pineapple. That one's really cute. And Scar Smile. I already have it, but it's a nice, really nice pin. Welcome back. I was looking at the back of these. This one is also a completer pin. So I got 2. That's really cool. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.